So today we're going to start with looking at some measurements and then we'll play a game with fractions. So this topic is topic 2. And so far we've been learning about fractions, equivalent fractions, and measuring. So at school this year, have you guys learned about fractions?
Yes.
Awesome. And do you know what equivalent fractions are? Okay, let's just cover that first. So we're on lesson 6 of topic 2, and equivalent fractions means that the fraction is the same amount, but it just has different numbers. So if you look at the examples here, 3 over 8 is the same fraction as 6 over 16. 6 over 16 means the same proportion as 3 over 8. And similarly, 8 over 8 is the same as 16 over 16. So this is just one whole, right? So equivalent means that it's equal. So we're going to learn about that in lesson 6. Today we're going to start at a later lesson though. So today's lesson, lesson 7, is all about measuring. And this ClearMath book is an American book, so they measure in inches. At school, do you use inches or centimeters?
Centimeters.
Yeah, you use centimeters, right? How about you, Levi? Do you use a ruler with inches or centimeters?
What is inches?
Inches is what people use in the USA to measure. So we use centimeters, millimeters, meters, but
I
in,
use centimeters.
yeah, that's right. In America, they use inches, and I'm going to show you quickly how to use an inches ruler. So you can see my screen, right? So at the top is centimeters, which we all use, and the bottom here is inches. So 1 inch is this long. So how long is 1 inch in centimeters?
2.5 centimeters.
Yeah, 2.5. And look here, in the inches ruler, we have a quarter, half, and 3/4. And here it is 1/8. And then here is 1/16. So that's how you measure in inches. You can measure your pencil and it might be 4.5 inches or 4 3/4 inches. So please grab whatever you have close to you and measure it on the screen in inches. So I have my pen here. I can put it against my computer screen and I can measure how long it is in inches. And I can tell you it's about 4 inches long. Can you try? Grab a pen or grab anything and put it against the screen.
I I don't understand how I use inches actually.
That's okay. Eugene, did you measure something was 8.25 inches?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Good job. Okay, so Levi, look here. Imagine you put your pencil like this.
Yes.
This is the length of your pencil. I'm just giving you an example. So put it
Yes.
against the screen and then find the line that is closest to the end of your pencil. So let's just say it's like about here. Then your pencil will be 4 3/4 inches long.
Okay. Then I can get it.
What number is it closest to?
Is 8.
Around 8 inches? Great.
Yes.
So now you know what people are talking about when they talk about inches. This is what is used in the USA. And now
Okay.
let's look at this line plot. Have you ever done line plots at school?
What is line cross?
It's a type of graph. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So look at this question. Mr. Robinson's class is learning about mealworms. Mealworms are just a type of worm, and they're very small. And the table shows the lengths of the mealworms the class is taking care of. So this class is growing mealworms, and they have these lengths. So they're actually really small, right?
Yes.
We have 1/2 inches to 1 7/8. So the length will be about from this long to 1 7/8, which will be about here. So the mealworms are between this long to this long. Okay, so we have this table. We have length in inches at the top, and then we have the number of mealworms in tallies at the bottom. So this is how we make a line plot. On the x-axis, we draw all the lengths in inches. So we have 1/8 inch to 1 7/8 here. And then we look at the number of mealworms for every length. So one mealworm is 1/2 inch long. So I draw an X here. And then we have 2 mealworms that are 5/8 of an inch long. So then we draw 2 X's here. Okay, now Eugene,
Yes.
how many mealworms are 3/4 inches long?
2.
That's right. So we draw 2 X's here. So this is what a line plot looks like. Now, Levi,
Yes.
how do you say this fraction here? You
So
can
how
say
do you
7. How do you read it? 7/8.
7/8.
Yes, or we can say 7/8. And we spell it like this. 7/8. A little bit hard to pronounce. 7/8 or 7/8.
Okay.
And how many mealworms are there?
5.
That's right. So we draw 5 X's here to indicate that there are 5 mealworms of this length.
Okay.
How many mealworms are 1 inch long?
4.
Yes. So we draw 4 X's like this. Okay, Eugene, how do you say this fraction?
1 1/8.
Nice. So there are 7 mealworms of this length. So we draw 7 X's here. Got it? And then we have 1 1/4 length, 1 1/4 inch, 1 3/8 inch, and 1 7/8 inch. So this is our line plot. You can easily see how many mealworms there are of every length in the table. Now let's have a look at the questions. How many mealworms are shorter than 1 inch? Have a count. So 1 inch is here. How many mealworms are shorter than 1 inch? Eugene, could you tell us how you got the answer?
6.
Because this is 1, and
Yeah.
this and this and this and this doesn't acquire over 1.
Yeah, we actually don't count these 1 inch long mealworms because
It's
this question.
6.
Oh, try again. We're only looking at mealworms shorter than 1 inch. So we have to add 5, 2, 2, 1. We have to count all the X's. Yeah. So I hid the table from you. We have to count all of these.
9. 9.
10.
Yeah, it's 10.
10.
10 mealworms.
1,
See?
2,
There's
3,
5,
4,
2,
5,
2, 1.
6.
There's 5 here, 2 here, 2 here, 1. Right? Yeah. Nice. You got it. Okay, team. How many mealworms are longer than 1 inch? So you have to look at these ones. Just count the X's.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11.
15.
7 plus 4. This is 7, 2, 1, 1.
11.
11.
Yeah. Nice work, team. Awesome. Okay. Number 4. What's the most common mealworm length?
Huh?
The most common.
1 and 1/8.
Yes, 1 and 1/8 inch. And to make inches shorter, we just write IN. Kind of like how we write centimeters as cm. Last one. What is the total number of mealworms?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wait. 1 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 8.
25.
Nice. Can I tell you a shortcut? So we already calculated mealworm shorter than 1 inch is 10. Mealworm longer
21.
than 1 inch, 11.
19.
But then we just need to add these guys, the 1 inch long guys. Yeah,
25.
Yeah, you got it. So this is just another way to calculate it quickly. Great. You guys are doing so well. All right. So these are some other kinds of line plots. Number 1, Kaya, our friend called Kaya, listed the number of pets her friends own. So she asked all her friends, how many pets do you own? And then she wrote down the numbers of pets. Now, I want you guys to draw this line plot on your piece of paper or in your notebook, and then draw your own line plot. So for each number, you need to draw an X or a dot, whatever you like. So on page 92, please finish this line plot and tell me when you're done. Eugene, while you wait, you can start question 2 if you like. Pounds means weight. So similar to grams and kilograms, but they use it in America.
A pound is a gram or a kilogram?
1 pound is actually around half a kilogram. It's around half a kilogram, but it's not exactly half. It's just a different way to measure weight. And Levi, how are you going with this line plot?
I made it.
Great. And Hajin, are you almost finished?
Yes.
Awesome. Let's go through it. So 1 friend has 0 pets. 2 friends have 1 pet. 3 people have 2 pets. 2 people have 3 pets. 1 person has 4 pets, and nobody has 5 pets. Did you get it right?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. It's pretty amazing that someone has 4 pets. I wonder what they are. Do you guys have pets?
No, but my friend has 7 pets.
What?
What?
How is that possible? What does she have?
It's he, not she.
Oh, what does he have?
Lizards.
7 lizards?
Yes.
Wow. Are they all in 1 tank?
I don't know.
That's pretty amazing. It would be pretty fun to have a lizard.
I
wonder what
have
they eat.
1 cat.
Fun. Are you friendly with your cat?
Yep.
Nice. I did some cat sitting for a friend this year. I looked after a cat for a month. Just for 1 month. It was really fun. We got very friendly. Anyways, question 2. Our friend Gianna listed pounds of almonds that customers bought. Maybe she works at a grocery shop and she listed the weight of almonds that customers bought. So let's draw this together. So a quarter pound is not a lot. It's like probably a handful of almonds. So 2 people bought a quarter. 2 people bought a half. Can you find half in this line plot?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So 2/4 is the same as a half. Nice. Yes. You're right, Eugene. 3 people bought 3/4. 2 people bought 1 1/4 pounds. 1 person bought 1 1/2 pounds. Nice. What is the most popular weight of almond? Yeah, 3/4 pounds. That's right. Next, number 3, Liu recorded her town's rainfall in inches. So even here in Korea, when it rains, we measure it in millimeters. But in the USA, they probably measure in inches like this. So I want you to draw this line plot in your notebook, and you have to figure out which inches go here on the x-axis.
What is this and this?
Oh, whoops. I mean 5/8. And this is 6/8.
But there's no...
Yeah, but what is the simplified version of 6/8? How can you make this fraction as small as possible? You have to divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. You have to half
3.
each number. Yeah, you got it, Hajin. 3/4.
4.
Yes, and 4/8 is the same as a half. And 2/8 is the same as
1/4.
yes, 1/4 or a quarter. Nice. So these are equivalent fractions. These 2 fractions mean the same proportion, right? So let's record the rainfall. So this rainfall might be the total rainfall in 1 month, or it might be in 1 day. So this could be the rainfall over several days, or the total rainfall in a month. So the most common rainfall was a 1/4 inch, which is not a lot. It's like a tiny bit of rain, right?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, let's move on to lesson 8. We're going to do this in a little bit, but first we're going to do this game, which is plates of fractions. So how we play this is that we're going to spin this wheel.
Yes.
We're going to spin this wheel, and we also have to roll a dice. So I'll give you an example. First, we spin this wheel, and we get a fraction. So our fraction is 1/6.
Yes.
And then we roll the dice. There's 4. So we have to shade in our wheel 1/6 4 times. So look at this. Look at all these wheels. Look at these 4 wheels. So we got 1/6, right? And we have to
Yes.
shade 4 times. So that means we shade here. We shade this fraction 4 times.
Yeah.
And our goal is to color in all the wheels as fast as you can. All right?
Okay.
So we'll take turns. I know it's online, so we can't actually physically spin these. But we're gonna take turns spinning. So Eugene, you can go first. Can you say spin the wheel?
Spin the wheel.
All right, your fraction is 1/3. Okay, and then roll the dice. You have to shade 1/3 twice. So where can we do that? Which wheel can we shade 1/3? That's right. And you have to choose another wheel. Oh, but this is 1/8 though. 2/8 is actually a quarter. So you have to choose a different wheel.
This one?
That's right. Is that 1/6? Yes, it is. 2 times is 1/6. So I will shade this. Levi, it's your turn next. Can you say spin the wheel? Levi?
It doesn't work.
Oh, I have to click it for you. You have to say spin the wheel so that I know you're ready. Okay, so your
Okay.
fraction is 1/5. And the number of times you need to shade that is just once.
Okay.
So which wheel can you shade 1/5? So every wedge of the pie is just 1/10. But you have to shade 1/5 of this pie.
It's easy.
So one wedge is 1/10. And
Yeah.
if you shade 2 wedges, you get 2/10. And if you simplify that, that's 1/5, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 2/10 is the same as 1/5.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna demonstrate quickly. So this is 1/5. That means this is 1/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this wheel can be divided into fifths and tenths and 20ths. If you divide this wedge in half, this part becomes 1/20th, right? Does that make sense? We're gonna keep playing, and I think you will get it as we keep going. Okay? Hajun, your turn.
Yes.
Can you say spin the wheel?
Spin the wheel.
Alrighty. Your fraction is
Oh.
1/6 again. So close, it's right on the edge. And you have to shade 1/6 just
Yay.
once. Okay,
This?
Hajun, this wheel is full, so you have to choose a different wheel to shade. You have to look for
Okay.
1/6.
Okay. This.
That's right. So if you shade 1/12 twice, Levi, look at this. If you shade 1/12 twice, you get 2/12.
Yes.
And if you divide 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So
Yeah.
2/12 is the same as 1/6.
Yes.
You got it? Okay. Now, Eugene, for you to be able to shade a wheel, you have to get something that is applicable in the rest of the wheels.
Okay.
So you have to try and shade as much as you can. Can you say spin the wheel?
Spin the wheel.
Let's go. Oh, you got a half. That means you can shade a lot, right?
Yes.
And you have to shade a half 4 times. You might be able to shade everything. I don't know. Let's see. You have to shade 1/2 4 times.
Huh?
Oh, wow. You're gonna shade almost all the wheels. That's right. Nice. So I'm gonna shade that for you. So all of this wheel is gone now. And this is also gone. All right,
Wow.
Levi and Hajin, what does this mean? Levi has to get
2.
1/6 or 1/12, 1/6 or 1/12, or 1/5. So let's see if Levi can do it. Levi, tell me, spin the wheel.
Spin the wheel, please.
What?
Wow. No.
You can't do anything. 1/8 is all gone. Oh dear. Okay, Hajin's turn. You ready?
Yes.
Spin the wheel.
Spin the wheel.
You
Mm,
don't have to.
no.
Can you shade anything? No, you can't. You can't shade anything. All of the fractions that are
Wow.
left is less than
Yes.
half. So same for you, Eugene. You have to spin either 1/6 or 1/5, right?
Oh
Let's
my
go.
God.
Can she do it?
Spin the
the
wheel.
wheel.
Oh, please, please, please.
Oh my gosh. You
Huh?
did it. And
Wow.
how many? How many of these? Okay, just 2.
Okay.
Wow.
That means you can't actually shade 2. You can only shade 1.
Yes.
So Eugene, what can you finish?
This and this, maybe.
Yes. So that total is 1/6. Nice.
Ow!
Okay, Levi and Hajin, what do you need to spin next?
110.
Yeah, or 1/5. We don't have 1/10 in this wheel. So you have to spin 1/10.
Yeah.
So Levi, let's see if Levi can spin 1/5.
1/5.
Come on, come on, come on.
No.
Uh-oh, okay, Hajin, your turn.
Okay.
Spin the wheel.
Spin the wheel.
Oh, oh no.
Oh no.
So this might take us a long time, so we'll just leave it at that. But next week, we could do round 2 if you want to.
Okay.
We could do round 2. I think you guys understand how this game works now.
Yes.
Good job. So that was such a good way to practice our fractions. Now, remember what we did when we played the game. We could calculate that 2/12 is the same as 1/6, and
Yes.
2/10 is the same as 1/5. So this is called equivalent fractions. Equivalent means equal. Okay? That means now that we understand that, we can do these questions. So these are true or false. Determine whether each pair of quantities is equivalent or not equivalent. Okay, number 1, 5/8 and 3/4.
No.
No.
No, why not?
Because if we multiplicate 2, then this becomes like
6/8.
yes, then
That's right.
6, but this is 5 and this is 6, and 3 doesn't have any 5 unless it is 15 or yes. So
That's right. Nice work, Eugene.
it's X.
Yeah, we can test this by multiplying this fraction by 2. So this is false. Number 2, here we have a mixed number because we have one number and a fraction. This is called a mixed number.
Yes.
This is this is 9 and no, false.
It's false.
Yes.
I want all of you guys to write down in your notebooks, how do you write this 5/3 as a mixed number? How can you write 5/3 as
1 and 2
Write it
over
down in your notebook.
3.
Write it in your notebook, please.
Okay.
Yes, that's right. You got the answer. It's 1 and 2/3.
3.
Yeah, great. Okay, and please write in your notebooks the answer for number 3 and number 4. Okay, so what is 3? Is it true or false?
True.
Oh.
Huh?
We have some different opinions. It is true because 10/4 as a mixed number is 2 and 2/4, right?
Yeah.
And 2/4 is the same as 1/2.
Yes.
So this one is true. And what about number 4? So Eugene thinks it's false. What about you, Levi? Is number 4 true or false? Is 12 over 12 the same as 10 over 10? So Hajun, you think it's true, right?
Yes.
Yes. And Levi, what do you think?
I think it's false.
Oh, so we have some different opinions. Hajun, can you tell us why you think it's true?
Like it can be 1, 2.
Yes.
It's 2.
Yes. So if the numerator and the denominator is the same, the fraction is just 1.
Yes.
So this is actually true. Both fractions are just 1. So here's a question. Here's another question. I'm going to give you a random number.
What?
Yes.
273 over 273.
Yes.
What
It
is-
can be 1.
Yeah, it's 1 because the numerator and the denominator is the same.
Yes.
Nice. So that is what we need to remember about equivalent fractions. Now, I want to give you guys a short spelling quiz. How do you spell numerator?
Numerator.
Write it in your notebook first. Numerator, the top number in a fraction.
I wrote it in my notebook.
And then spell denominator. Yeah, we're gonna check the answers in our notebook. Here we are. You can check your answers here. Numerator and the denominator.
Oh, I got it.
Nice. Good job. Good job, everybody. You guys did so well. I'm so impressed with how you guys just smashed this game. Next week, we can play another round of this game, and then we're gonna move on to lesson 9. So I'm gonna check again that you guys get sent the file for this topic too. Okay, so next week you can print from lesson 8 from page 93. But I will try to get that to your parents so that you can be prepared for next week. It was so nice meeting all of you. I'll see you next week, next Wednesday at the same time. Have a good evening. Good night. Bye.